Good morning students. Welcome to our second class. Now we will see small recap. One of the top uses of Excel in business is to manage people. Here we can do the formatting text, calculation and etc. So it is a proficient software which combines formatting features with calculating features. To get into MS Excel 2007, click on Start, select All Programs, select Microsoft Office and then click on Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Here has another method, Note. Otherwise, to click on MS Excel icon from desktop screen. If it is available, then appear MS Excel 2007 window. Where is the title bar? Yes, it is in the top of the application window. Status bar is available at the bottom of the window. The center part name is worksheet. Worksheet consists of cells. This box name is cell. Worksheet consists of rows and columns. It is called column headings. It is called row headings. It is called name box. Name box is used to display address of the cell. A1 is a first cell address. A represent column name, 1 represent row number. Office assistant is used to help the user. It is called sheet tabs. Sheet 1 is a active sheet. Sheet 1 means worksheet 1. Navigation button is used to from one sheet to another. It is called formula bar. What is the use of formula bar? It is used to enter or edit data or formulas. Number of rows in a worksheet is 10,48,576 rows in a worksheet and 16,384 columns in worksheet. Workbook is a file. Here we can see how to create a new workbook. There are 3 ways to create a new workbook. See, number 1, blank workbook. Number 2, templates. Number 3, new from existing file. Workbook is a file. Blank workbook, templates, new from existing file. The workbook file is saved with an extension as XLSX. Now see how to create blank workbook. Click on MS Office button and select the option New. The new workbook dialog box will appear. Under templates, select blank and recent. Then on the right side, select blank workbook and click on create button. Here is another method. Shortcut key is Ctrl plus N. A new workbook. Shortcut key name is Ctrl plus N. Templates. Templates are readily available designs, structures which have pre-formatted background designs. To create a workbook with templates, click on MS Office button. Select the option New. New workbook dialog box will be appear. Click on Installed Templates. Select the record templates and click on Create button. A new workbook gets created with the selected templates. New from existing file. In Excel 2007, it is easy to use the previous workbook styles and calculations for the new workbook. To do so, click MS Office button. Select the option New. The new workbook dialog box will appear. Select the option New from Existing. New from Existing workbook dialog box appears. Choose the file and click on Create New button. The keyboard shortcut for creating a new workbook is Ctrl+N. Workspace. Workspace is a file. A group of workbooks can be opened in one step by creating a workspace file. When a workspace is opened, MS Excel 2007 automatically opens all the existing workbooks in it. Creating a workspace. Step 1. Open all the workbooks that are to be opened as a group. Step 2. Click on Save Workspace button from the Window Groups from View tab. And the next step, Save Workspace dialog box appear. Now enter name for a workspace and click on the Save button. The workspace file is saved with the extension .xlw. Entering data in a worksheet. A worksheet consists of cells. The data in a worksheet has to be filled in cell-wise. A worksheet consists of cells. Worksheet consists of cells. The data. This is a data. This is a data. The data in a worksheet has to be filled in cell-wise. Cell-wise. Some keys are used to move from one cell to another. Arrow keys. Up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. Tab key. Tab key also is used to move from one cell to another. Home key or Control plus left arrow is used to move the cursor to the first column. Control plus Home key is used to move to the first cell of the worksheet. End or Control plus right arrow is used to move the cursor to the last column. Let us see how can we use the keys in the worksheet. This is the worksheet. A workbook is a collection of worksheets. Arrow keys. Right arrow, left arrow, down arrow, up arrow. These arrows are used to move the cell. Here we can type the data. The blinking vertical line's name is cursor. Okay. Control plus down arrow. Control plus down arrow is used to move the cell to the last row. What is the last row number? 10,48,576. Now you can press Ctrl plus up arrow. Used to move the cell to the first row. First row number is 1. Now you can press Ctrl plus right arrow. Used to move the cell to the last column. Last column name XFD. Now, how can you come to the first column? Very good. Control plus left arrow. Used to move the cell to the first column. First column name is A. We will see recap workbook. To create a new workbook, there are 3 ways to creating a new workbook. Number 1, blank workbook. Blank workbook is used to creating a very new workbook. The keyboard shortcut for creating a new workbook is Ctrl plus N. Number 2, templates. Templates are readily available design structures which have pre-formatted background designs. Number 3, new from existing file. In Excel 2007, it is easy to use the previous workbook styles and calculations for the new workbook. The extension is XLSX. Workspace also a file. A group of workbooks can be opened in one step by creating a workspace file. When the workspace is opened, MS Excel 2007 automatically opens all the existing workbooks in it. Create a workspace, click on Save Workspace button from Window group of the View tab. Extension is XLW. Some keys are used to move from one cell to another. Arrow keys, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Tab keys also is used to move from one cell to another. Home key or control plus left arrow is used to move the cell to the first column. Control plus home key is used to move to the first cell of the worksheet. End or control plus right arrow is used to move the cursor to the last column. Entering data in a worksheet. A worksheet consists of cells. The data in a worksheet has to be filled in cell wise. The arrow keys are used to move from one cell to another, and tab keys also, and more keys are used from one cell to other. Okay. Here we can enter data in a worksheet.